Hi friends, in this video let us understand how int and round function works. At the end I will show you the difference between int, round and format. So stay till end of the video to understand the difference between them. Let us check how the int works here. Okay, so what is an integer? Here it trims or removes the decimal places. That is, it will not have any fraction number. So equal to INT tab you can, and it is asking me the number. So what is my number here? This number P10, that is 20, and enter. So it doesn't have any decimal, so it has taken. Now let us drag it. So you can see that it has removed all the decimal points or the fractions. So integer is the one that is trims or removes all the fractional numbers. Now let us check out how the round function works. Okay, so equal to round, I'm entering tab, it is asking me the number, so number is my B10, comma, it is asking me number of digits, so how many decimals you want at the next. So I will say I want only one, and I'm closing the bracket, entering it. Okay, just dragging it or double click here. So you can see here it has taken the one decimal, that is 5 here, 4 here, and it has rounded it off to 5. So you can see the difference here. Okay, now since I have taken only one decimal here, let me take two decimal and check out how it works here. Okay, so equal to round B10 comma 2 bracket close. Now take the two decimals. You can see here it has taken the two decimals. You can see the difference here. Round one, it has taken it as 20.5. It has rounded it off. Now here when I take the two decimals, you can see it as 20.4 and rounded off the further now decimals. So this is how the round and integer works. So integer, it removes the decimals, and rounds loses the specified decimal places. Okay, it specifies whatever the user specifies, it takes those many fractions. Now let us check out how the format works. So equal to, or I will do one thing, I will just copy it, or I will say I will just take this one. Okay, so you can see here it has taken only the two decimals. If I want to change the decimals, format cell, increase the number of decimals here, so it will take 3 decimals. Okay, for time being I will take it as 2 decimals. Okay, now to know the difference between round and format, what I will do is I will multiply all with 1. Okay, so here for int I will be multiplying with 1, and same thing I will do for these also. For these also I will be multiplying 1. So into 1 here, multiplying 1 here, and multiplying 1 here to understand the difference. Okay, equal to, I have taken C10 into 1. This is a multiplication for the int. You can check, there is no difference. Equal to into 1. You can check, there is no difference since it is a 1 decimal. For round 2, where we have 2 decimals, into 1. Okay, there is no difference. Now let's see for the format. Into 1. So you can see here, this it is showing you as 20.46 since we have specified the decimals to 2, and here also in round 2 we have specified the decimals to 2, but in round it, when we multiplied, it loses the specified decimals. That is, whatever the further 6 7 numbers decimals were there, it has lost it. Whereas in formatting, it does not lose the decimal places. That is the difference between the round and the format. Okay, so let me give you a conclusion here. The integer, it loses all the decimal places. Round, it loses the specified decimal places, whereas the format will not lose the decimal places. It will be there, but it will be showing you as how many format cells during the, you would select the decimals, whereas during multiplication or division, it will take entire things. Have any arithmetic operation, it will take the entire things, whereas integer and round, it loses the decimals, whereas loses the decimals or fractions, whereas format keeps all the decimals and formats. Okay, that is the main difference between the round and format. Okay, hope you understood the difference here. So based upon your specifications and your requirements, you can use round or format or int. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.